Down, guys. There are going to be 2 open doors on your left.
You're going to a party. My boss down Toretto likes to race out there in the streets. Maybe you saw him flying by.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did?
Yeah.
You must have some good sight because you look like to burn rubber out there. Anyway, he wins. Every time he wins, he gets a party.
Hey Pat, I see our party goers have arrived.
Yeah, they just got here. You guys are going.
Hey everybody.
Please keep moving forward.
Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother had another car for his collection.
Cool.
Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
I don't know either.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room.
The family room.
Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
Dom loves his
The
family.
faces you see on these walls are our family.
My face ain't on the wall.
When I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together.
It's on the fridge.
So, welcome to our family.
That was my bald face. Hey, Tej, you're on the monitor with Mia.
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey, Tej, just welcoming these good people to our
I'm
family.
here too,
How's the
Tej.
rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out and roll out in style.
So cool.
All right. I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
Bye, Mia.
All right, Pat. Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the war
You
room.
got it, boss. Hey, I want to cut out early. I want to hang out with these 2 ladies today. He's already gone.
I guess it's a no.
It's pretty ludicrous. You're gonna go see my friend Jamie in the war room. Maybe I'll catch up to you later. Oh, look, you got somebody that's gonna video the whole party for you. Yeah, just like.
Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? Alright, cool, I'm good. Anyway,
Have a
I'm
great time.
Jamie. Welcome to the war room. That's where Tej does all the high-tech operations, but I don't do that. I just sit there and talk to people who stare at me awkwardly for long periods of time. Not like now. It's quite ludicrous, really. Anyway, who's here to race? Who's here to party? Every time I hear who, I know you are the guys to hang out with. Double shots on y'all, you already know. It's alright, guys. You're still cool, just not as cool. You feel me? Don't worry, we're gonna get you there. A couple shots in, y'all gonna be wooing like us. You feel me? There's kids in here. Okay, kids, that means ice cream and chocolate cake mixed together in a cup. Drink it up, okay? You're welcome, parents. Tej is calling.
Jamie,
Yo.
the buses are here.
Hey, we got lit and toasties ready to go. Where the DUIs at, baby? We ready to sign them. Hey, Dom's calling.
I got this, Jamie.
Yeah, I don't want to talk to him.
Dom,
Yeah.
what up?
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs.
About what, bro?
The FBI is about to raid your location.
Oh, man, this is gonna be crazy.
Man, they always ruining our fun.
Yeah, they suck.
It gets worse.
What up?
They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Again with this guy?
Shaw,
Cucaracha.
that cockroach we beat down in Spain?
We all call him that.
What's he got to do with this?
I mean, we jumped
Nothing
him, so.
yet.
No, we didn't.
And let's keep it that way.
You're out and be quiet.
Get those people on those buses.
Cool, but you gotta open the doors for
You
me.
need to start bugging out right now.
I get it, but if you can just
And
open
get that turbo truck ready.
I got you, just
I'm
open it.
sending Letty there to pick it up.
Can you get her to open the doors?
I'm on it.
To open the doors?
Hobbs needs our help.
To open the doors?
He needs our team.
To open the doors, bro?
Spread the word.
Open the
But
doors.
keep it in our family. and keep it quiet.
Oh, I don't know what you wanted. He hung up. Hey, yo, Hobbs calling.
It's Hobbs.
I said that.
Hobbs, my man.
Why am I here?
What up?
You know what I mean?
Sorry, Brother Taj, no time for chit-chat.
You called
I
up,
just
baby.
sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak.
Oh, great.
Has Toretto filled you in?
Nah,
Yeah.
maybe.
He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
Nothing.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going.
We're not gonna
We
make
need to discuss how you're going to get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
You open the doors.
Okay, hold on. Let me get everybody squared away,
Alright.
and we'll talk offline.
Yeah, we heard nothing.
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know.
What's up?
Shut off your cell phones.
Keep 'em on.
We don't want Shaw tracking your locations.
We don't care. It's a vibe here, Chuck.
Okay, Jamie,
Yeah.
you heard the man.
We all did.
It's about to go to a whole nother level.
Like my depression.
Send everybody to the loading dock.
Alright, cool. You make your way over there to the loading dock. I'm gonna be here figuring out my life decisions, you know what I mean? See y'all later. Kids have fun, enjoy Juvie, you know what I mean? Alright, parents, let me get a whoop whoop. Yeah, we finna go to jail.
Maybe switch you, but you know what? Connor, we were waiting for Connor. Yeah, we've been waiting forever. Take turn. How many? Row 6. How many?
Listen up, everybody. My man Hobbs wants to talk directly to y'all, so I'm patching him through now.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come, and he'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
Hey guys, we're gonna keep you safe from Shaw, but to keep you safe, we need your help. So please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras. Because one flash or ringtone could give us away. And remember, got a problem? Deal with it together.
Everybody out! This is the FBI! Turn that music off! Come on, get moving. The door's right there. Get moving. Get out.
This is what we're doing. This is the race day after party, and the what other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Damn.
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop messages are clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man.
It's cheap. Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Sure, trace us. Hobbs can't hold it forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. The police is all warmed up right next door.
Okay, gang, no flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Come to the left. Ready, hook him up.
I got the move by the rule!
Now we're moving.
You give me the witness, Toretto, and we call it a day! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you asshole?
Don't think I'm getting away! What is it?
Way to go, Letty.
Don't run out of the middle shot!
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got you. Don't shoot, head for the bridge. Under construction. Everybody hold on. Get the nitrous. On and die.
Where'd you people learn to ride like that? And witness, whoever you are, you lucky to be riding with this crew. They got your back.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys get good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
All right, let's forget about all that mess. The party is here, the party is now. Time to act a fool.
Attention partygoers, please remain fully seated at all times.
That wasn't